Vechain at the time of this recording is attempting another breakout to the upside after we continued to hold within our key area of support between the 0.03849 and the 0.03579. And at the time of this recording, we are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue pushing higher. And on today's video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of support that we need to continue holding above, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you this additive structure that is playing out here on the chart in red, where you can see that from the lows that we made on the 26th of November, we first peaked to the upside in the formation of this additive count 1. Then we saw a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see a breakout in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.05092. And the moment you fully maximize that target area, we can expect a short-term pullback in a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in an additive count 5. And also remember that this additive structure that I have on the chart in red is a micro additive structure within the formation of an even larger additive count 5, which I have marked on the charts using this additive structure in blue. And this is a wave that has been playing out from the lows that we made on the 4th of November, where you can see that we first peaked to the upside in the formation of this wave 1, and after we got our high for the wave 1, we saw a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 before we finally bounced to the upside in the formation of the wave 3, saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4 into the minimum pullback target areas for that wave 4, marked on the charts using this yellow target area, which is now giving us a reaction to the upside in what could be the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 3, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is above the $0.0544. And from that point, we can also squeeze higher, maybe to the fib level 1.618, above the 0.06538. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. And those are my breakout target areas. And in case of any sudden pullbacks, then we need to see Vechain holding within this key area of support between the 0.03849 and the 0.03579. Jumping to the daily chart to give you my long-term price prediction analysis, I believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulsive wave that peaked above the 0.4947, completing the formation of this wave 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger additive count 2 into the minimum pullback target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and we are going to continue seeing reactions to this target area, giving us an impulse to the upside in an impulsive additive count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.7849. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in an impulsive additive count 5. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term here on the Vechain chart. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.